If you're a home brewer serious about pour-over coffee, you know that precision matters. Today I'm reviewing the Hario Alpha electric kettle. This is a tool designed for those of you who want reliability and complete control over your brewing process. Now, I'll admit, I've reviewed a few kettles in the past that, looking back, probably didn't deserve the hype that I gave them. But with the Hario Alpha, I generally feel it delivers on its promises. Now, Hario has long been synonymous with quality in the pour-over world. Though they do have some work to catch up on with their grinders, it's no surprise that they have created a kettle specifically tailored for this pour-over purpose. And I'll admit here too, I'm usually not one for precision in these matters. My typical kettle philosophy has been, does it boil water or reach temperature? Great. But after using the Hario Alpha, I can confidently say that this just isn't one of those other kettles. If your pour-over game is what it's all about, you'll want to use this kettle. So let's jump in now and see why. Let's start with the specifications. Its capacity. It holds a minimum of 250 mils. And then a maximum of 650 mils. Small, but more than you need for 1 to 4 cups, making it perfect for a single cup or small batch brews. Its heat up time? Well, in my tests using 27 degrees Celsius water, which is the ambient temperature right now, to boiling with a full capacity, it did it in just 4 minutes, and then at a half capacity at 2 minutes 20. Then the temperature accuracy Hario claims to be within 2 degrees Celsius, which is impressive. And it means that you'll be hitting your target temperature consistently. And then this level of accuracy, I would say, isn't just a marketing feature, it is a tool for delivering better coffee. Now, the flow rate is another standout reason why you want to get this kettle for pour-over brewing. At its max flow rate is 15.5 grams per second. So, if you did consider one of the other well-known kettles, it's at around 19 seconds, which was slow and great for pour-over brewing. The Hario truly beats this. And with that, the Hario Alpha can go as low as 2 grams per second for those incredibly delicate pours. This level of control is what pour-over enthusiasts are after. And let me talk about pouring experience, because when I first received this kettle, I didn't like it, because well, I didn't really know how much water I had left in the kettle to finish my pour. It's striking how well balanced this kettle feels. Whether it's nearly full or almost empty, you don't get that sloshing inertia from the water inside. And when pouring with this kettle, it feels like pouring air, like the weight of the kettle almost never changes. And it's that kind of control and balance that is something that's really noticeable when you're fine-tuning your pour for brewing coffee. With 1000 watts of power, this ensures quick heating. And the fact it's only a 650 ml capacity certainly helps. It has a stainless steel build combined with BPA-free plastic in the handle and the lid, and obviously the base. And speaking of the lid, this has a silicone seal on the inside and it is very satisfactory to press on. Taking a look at the programming, you do have those regular programming elements of a timer, and also it can hold temperature, as well as being able to program the temperature in 1 degree elements from 40 degrees Celsius to 96 degrees Celsius. Or you can choose to boil the kettle straight up, and then it will drop back down and hold at 95 degrees Celsius. So that does beg the question there, obviously, can you program this kettle to 97, 98, and 99 degrees Celsius? Weirdly, no. But this smart feature that I just mentioned does get you to a high temperature quickly, or boiling, and then quickly holds at a reasonable brewing temperature beyond that. So I guess when you look at it, it took 4 minutes to boil a full kettle, but also 4 minutes if I'd set it at 94 degrees Celsius. It is worth mentioning that this kettle isn't for everybody. If you are just looking for a standard kettle to boil water, this probably isn't for you. But if you are passionate about pour-over brewing, you're probably not using 97, 98, 99 degrees Celsius water anyway, but you do want a tool that offers precision, balance, and Hario's signature quality. The Alpha kettle is exactly what you need. So to wrap it up, the Hario Alpha electric kettle isn't just a kettle. I mean, it's a kettle, but it isn't a kettle. It is a statement of intent from Hario. It is a reflection of Hario's commitment to design and quality, offering what I see as exceptional performance for a dedicated pour-over brewer. And for anyone serious about their coffee, this kettle is hard to beat. It is up there. It is up there. You gotta wait for the comparison. And thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. Certainly let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried the Hario Alpha Electric Kettle, or if there's another kettle that you swear by. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And until next time, happy brewing.